I got another banger for you guys. Stay tuned. Guys, welcome to the Mr. Bubbles channel, where we dish out awesome pressure washing business advice to beginners. I got a good one for you. This is actually part 2, where we're talking about the 10 things that I would do if I had to start a pressure washing business all over again. Now, if you haven't watched part 1, that's okay. Go ahead after this video, just go back and watch it, because I don't want you to miss out on, the great information that's on there. And also, before we even get into today's episode, wanted to remind you guys, we only got a few days left for our free Mr. Bubbles Business in a Box giveaway. Guys, the Mr. Bubbles Business in a Box has over 500 files in it, including over 300 before and after pictures that you guys can use on all of your social medias like Facebook, and also your Google My Business and your website. And guess what, guys? The best part, your Business in a Box has all of my blueprints that I've ever created for my business, including marketing materials, has training modules, a bunch of great resources there to help you grow your business. Now, in order to qualify and get your free Business in a Box, all you got to do is sign up for the membership here to the Mr. Bubbles channel through YouTube itself. You guys, underneath this video, you see a little button that says join. It's $5 a month, guys. Like, what are we even talking about? The $5 a month is essentially your tuition to the Mr. Bubbles Academy, because, guys, we are a virtual trade school where we're teaching you guys all the ins and outs of the pressure washing business, including how to build your rig, how to price jobs out correctly, and even how to get customers. So make sure you sign up, because also, if you did not know this, the membership gives you a bunch of perks. I'm not going to go over all of them here, but I can tell you the number one perk is you have access to our full library of videos. Right now, there's 22 videos that are for members only, including the video, episode 56. Guys, that is the number one episode in the entire channel. If you have not seen that, wow. In that episode 56, I break down for you guys a step-by-step tutorial on how to optimize your Google My Business. So that's going to be paramount for your growth. We cannot run a business in today's modern age without a Google My Business, so make sure you guys watch that. But there you have it. Make sure you sign up. Again, we only have a free 3 days left for your free Business in a Box. That's a no-brainer, guys. Make sure you take advantage of that. So, again, we're talking about the 10 things that I would do if I had to start a pressure washing business today, like all over again. Of course, we talked about 1 through 5 in the first episode. Today, we're doing 6 through 10. So now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and jump right in. Number 6 on my list, I got build your rig. Wow, guys, in our previous episode, we talked about research and development. This is one of those things that you're going to do in research and development, like the type of equipment and the type of build you're going to need. Here on my channel, I don't know if you guys knew this or not, I actually have 2 build series that I did. They're each 10 episodes long. And I mean, some of them are over an hour long. I did a trailer build series and I did a truck build series. So obviously, you guys as new guys, you're going to do one of those 2. So which one is best for you, you're going to watch that series, maybe every episode 2-3 times, take a bunch of notes. And then also in the description of those videos, you'll see a complete Amazon list of where I got all the parts, and you just click that and get all the parts you need for that. But here's the thing, guys. Make sure that you keep your rig system when you're starting in this business. You want to keep it very simple. Do not go out and buy a $20,000, $30,000 rig somewhere. You do not want to go that route. Trust me, even if you have excellent credit, guys, do not start your business in debt. That's like stepping on a bear trap. So what I recommend you do is, order your equipment slowly. Okay, slowly, like 1 part, 2, 3 different things every week. And then after 6, 7 weeks, you have everything you need. and then you build the trailer. I actually have a physical PDF blueprint, and you guys can just follow that blueprint. I know it's a little scary when you're starting out, but guess what, guys? Building your own rig is going to give you the experience of how your equipment works. So when, for example, out in the field, something happens to your equipment, you're able to problem solve it just like that, because guess what? You're the one who built it. And you don't need to do this overnight. Like I said, take 6-7 weeks, research it properly, like the trailer that you need, the equipment that you need, the buffer tank, the machine, the hoses, research everything, and then order everything little by little. That's the best way to do it. And then when you have everything sitting there in your garage, bam, you put it together. I highly recommend you build your own rig. Number 7 on our list, you need to get your pricing structure correct or right. This is one of those things that I'm a great resource to you. We just started doing this about 3 weeks ago, where we're sending out already the pricing guideline for 2025. So I recommend you just email me, and I will send you a 2-page PDF. It's an actual blueprint that shows you what you should be charging when you're downstreaming or soft washing or roof cleaning, gutter cleaning, even panels. If you guys are going to do solar panels, the pricing for that is on there as well. And what you can do is just laminate that, guys. Take that to Staples, laminate it, keep it in your truck. Whenever you go out to do estimates, you can literally just look on there. It's like a cheat sheet for dummies, okay? That's really going to help you out. But I constantly say this on the channel. Pricing is the number one mistake all of you guys, new guys, make, because you come into this industry and you just, your prices are just way, way, way too low. And the problem with that is that, you need money to be able to reinvest in your business for you to grow your brand and your marketing and so forth. So make sure that you're pricing correctly. Some of you guys, I mentioned this in one of my videos. There's a guy here in my area, obviously a new guy. Actually, you know what? This was last year. It was not this year, but it was last year. Guys, he was putting out 500 yard signs a month, and the yard sign did not have his name. It didn't have a website. All it said was power washing, any house, $150 and a phone number. That's the exact example of what you don't want to do. That's everything about that is wrong. There's no branding. There's no name. No one can look that person up. And $150 for a house wash, any size? Get out of here with that. Like here, Mr. Bubbles, our minimum price, our minimum, bare bones minimum starts at $375 for a house wash, guys. Like, what are we talking about? You guys have seen a bunch of my videos where I'm doing a one side of a house, one side for $199. Like, why are you in business? Are you a philanthropist? Like, do you not like money? Are you allergic to money? like, what are we doing out here? Like, make sure that you guys get your pricing right. I'm the creator of SOMA. It's an acronym, SOMA. It stands for Sales, Operations, Marketing, and Administration. Guys, these are the pillars that you're going to need to focus on in order to grow your business. And you need to get your pricing right. It is one of the fundamental pillars or part of your, what is that thing? Your structure, your oh my gosh, what is that called? Foundation of your business. You need to get your pricing right from the beginning. Make sure that you email me so we can send that out to you. You do not want to goof up on your pricing, guys. You goof up on your pricing, like I said, bear trap, bam, your leg is gone, and you're not going to be able to grow your business. And guess what? It's the number one reason why people fail in this business, because they never learn to get their pricing right. Number 8 on our list, CRM system. Now, this is going to be totally new to a lot of you guys. A CRM stands for Customer Relations Management. It's a software program that will help you run your business. So think of it as like a virtual AI assistant. Okay. So you remember back in the day when we used to walk into offices and you'd see all those filing cabinets and, they would look up somebody's name and they would go through all the folders. Well, that's essentially what a CRM program is. It's a way for you to onboard your customer. Everything's right there at your fingertips. So if you got an iPad or your iPhone or a smartphone in your truck, you can look up all your customers' data and information information right there. You can set your routes. This is how we build. This is how we collect money. You can, for example, charge people's credit cards through your CRM. Guys, there's no way, absolutely no way you're running a business without a CRM program. And I'll put up here for you guys the one that we recommend. Jobber. Guys, this is the best CRM program to me in the industry. Jobber. We're going to do a video coming up, I think in 2 weeks right after Thanksgiving, where we're going to be talking more about Jobber. We recently, about a month ago, made the switch from our old program to Jobber. So highly recommend you guys join Jobber, one of the best CRM programs out there. A lot of people in the industry use them. And again, guys, I mean, I can't even begin to tell you how much of a mistake it would be for you to try to run your business the old school way with a bunch of notepads and whatnot, or what is that thing called? Spreadsheets. Not going to work, guys. You need to make sure you have a professional CRM program. And the one we recommended, Mr. Bubbles, is Jobber. Number 9 on our list, we got 10 free customers. What is this all about? So, after you've gone through all of this and you've been doing research, and you've been putting your equipment together, you've already built your rig, what you want to do before you actually go out there and officially, you go out there and you officially launch your business, what you want to do is, this is just what I would do. Of course, guys, this is your business. You can do whatever you want to do. This is just how I would do it. I would go out to affluent neighborhoods. What do I mean by affluent? I mean really, really nice homes. Let's say $400,000 or $500,000 and up, really nice neighborhoods, like upper middle class type neighborhoods. Search out dirty houses, go up to them, do them for free. Okay, this is going to do a couple things for you. What you want to do is, you just knock, let them know what you're doing, that, you do a lot of work in the neighborhood, and that you're offering one free wash, and that's the house that you chose. And the only thing that you want in exchange is a Google review, if they want to do, a Google review for you. Totally optional. But anyway, so the point here is you're going to do 10 jobs, get 10 Google reviews. That's going to help you grow your brand. Remember, marketing is what you do to get a customer, and branding is what you do to build your reputation. So when you're getting Google reviews, that's branding. You're building your reputation in a marketplace. So then when you're ready to pass out your postcards and set into motion your boots on the ground marketing strategy, your Google My Business is already going to have 10 Google reviews on there. And then also, guys, you're going to have more experience. You see what I'm saying? I always tell people your first goal in a business is get to 100 house washes. That's right around where I started to feel real comfortable, guys. Like, I started to feel super, super comfortable out there at around house number 100. So you already got 10% of that out of the way. It's going to give you tons of experience on how to do things. And then my final recommendation for that is this. When you're out there doing these 10 free jobs, make sure you use your elevator pitch, your sales pitch, and then you knock on the 5 neighbors, and you're simply going to say, hey, so sorry to bother you. I wanted to apologize for all the noise that you hear next door because we're power washing your neighbor's house. Anyway, here's my information. My name is John or whatever, and this is my company. I do all the power washing here in the neighborhood. If you guys ever need that service, I got your back. Just like that. And then you're going to do that with the 5 neighbors. And guess what, guys? You're going to pick up another 10 customers right there. And then one of those customers might send you their mom or their brother. And then all of a sudden, bam. It's like a defibrillator. You know that thing they put on a heart, like when your heart stops, the electricity, you go, psh. It's like shocking your business alive. So highly recommend that. That's going to be a huge thing for you guys because it's going to give you a little bit of confidence getting out there and getting some jobs done. And then also it's going to do wonders for you because you're going to have some positive 5-star reviews on your Google My Business. Finally, number 10 on our list. Guys, my number 1 recommendation to you is start small, okay? A lot of you guys are trying to run before you crawl. You want to make $30,000 a month, but you don't have the know-how, the skill sets. You don't have the love of equipment, marketing, and branding. You don't have any of that stuff yet. That stuff comes with time. That's why I recommend you guys Invest and then recoup your investment. Invest, recoup your investment. Build rigs that are not expensive, because when you don't know what you're doing yet, you're most likely going to damage that rig, damage your equipment. So learn from your experiences in that way and start small, because starting small, guys, is going to give you that sort of the opposite of stress. You know what I'm saying? Because when you invest all of this money, you get out there, now you're a little bit stressed out because you got to get all this money to recoup that investment. Or some of you knuckleheads out there, you quit your job right away and you jump into this. The problem is there's so much that you need to learn on the back end and the skill sets that you need to develop in order to make money. I don't recommend you do that, guys. I spent 2 years on my full-time job working this part-time. I didn't go full-time into this. I quit my job at year number 3, at the beginning of year number 3. So in the beginning of year number 3 is when I went full-time into this business. Make sure you start small with realistic expectations. I mean, some of you guys think you're going to go out there and you're going to make $50,000 in a month. I don't want to burst your bubble, guys, but that's not going to happen, because again, the money that you're going to make is a reflection of the skill sets that you have. Right now, you guys don't have those skill sets. For example, selling, or even the skill set of being able to wash a house. And, professionals are only taking 40 minutes, 45 minutes to wash a 3,000 square foot house. And you guys might go out there and it'll take you 3 hours and you're still not going to do it properly. So the skill set to be able to actually do the jobs out in the field, the skill sets, for example, customer service, communication, sales, all of those skill sets you're going to learn as you grow. So start small and grow from there. You guys should set, a goal, like long-term goal down the line. Like, let's say in 5, 6, 7 years, I want to be making 6 figures. That's realistic. But for you to jump off the gate making, $30,000, $40,000 a month, that's not going to happen, because you guys just need to develop yourself. That's why I recommend you guys really dive into these videos, guys, because one of the things when I started my channel, Mr. Bubbles here, I promised myself that in every single one of my videos, I was going to put a gold nugget of information in there that was going to help you grow your business. Every single one of my videos is like that. Make sure you watch all my videos. And there's a lot of awesome content creators in the industry. Recommend those as well. And then once you get everything ready, guys, just go out there, take baby steps. But it's incredible, because once you get experience and your skill set starts to grow, guys, man, wow. I went literally, my first 2 years, didn't make any money. My 3rd year, I broke even that year that I went full time. Then my 4th year, $300K. Like, it was like that, because now I knew what I was doing. I knew how to wash a roof. I knew how to build my systems. That's the other thing that you guys don't yet know, the different systems that you're going to need out there, like house washing system, concrete cleaning system. So highly recommend you watch all my videos. I would actually start with the downstreaming series. That's a really good series, episode 140 to 150. Take a lot of notes. And then when you guys go out there, you're simply going to copy exactly what you see on a video, practice it out in the field, and that's going to help you out a lot. But that's all I got for you guys today. Really appreciate you guys watching this pressure washing advice video. Highly recommend you guys watch the next one as well. Guys, in the next video, we're going to be talking about some common mistakes that beginners make that I want you guys to avoid going into 2025. And also, I know in this video, I think I've mentioned this in all of my videos, I got some great resources to send to you guys. Just go ahead and email me. So in the description of this video here, you're going to find that my email is in there. Email me. I'll send you out some resources that will help you. Like we talked about, how the number one mistake you guys make is pricing. You don't want to goof up on that. I'll send you my 2-page PDF, the pricing guideline for 2025. That's really going to help you make some money out there and help you grow your business. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bubbles out.